Prabhakaran. Prabhakaran. Yeah, again, Prabhakaran speaking. Prabhakaran is a public figure. Okay, everybody will be know me. Today I am going to say one thing. Behind of government officials. Government official, those who are working in the government office, can arrest by police without sanction from the next higher authority. Please think yourself. There is a possibility a government servant can be arrested for any consignable, non-consignable offence without sanction from next higher authority or appointing authority. I will tell you that. CRP 197 1973, that means under section 197/1, again I repeat, under section 197/1 and 2, 3 says clearly, a government official should not arrest without sanction from the same government office from the next higher authority, except robbery, theft, murder. You may ask a question, even misappropriation of fund, fraud, can government servant can arrest without sanction from the next higher authority? No. Any police official should arrest government servant, he will get sanction letter from the where the government servant working, the next higher authority. If without sanctioning, he can file only. He cannot file even civil case also. Then where is question of criminal, isn't it? It was many persons confusing. Government servant can arrested. He can produce in the court. But before issuing charge sheet, a police officer who is investigating the case can get sanction from the government officer, higher authority, next higher authority, sanction letter. Otherwise, case cannot be permitted in the court of law. Even a IO, that is inspection officer, can be give many investigation report. That Indian Constitution of Article 311 prevent government servant. This is well clear. When under section 173/1 and 2 CRP says, a government servant cannot be arrested. If arrested, judge may withdraw the case without proceeding. That is, Indian Penal Code clearly says, Indian Constitution of Article 311 to prevent, that is the protection of the government servant, should not arrest. If arrest, producing the court, before charge sheet, he should get sanction letter from the appointing authority or next higher authority. Otherwise, charge sheet cannot be issued to the court. This two principle doesn't know the advocate, even judge. Police officials work for the bribe. That we know globally. The world says that police is ringing round for bribe and working for the bribe. Now we are preventing that also. We have already made all technology work that will be implemented for preventing bribe, and who are bribe workers will be removed from the service. This is one thing. The secondly, any lower officials working in the government office, that is, if I am the person, I can file FIR my below subordinate. government servant to the police case is legally or illegally, it is valued or not valued. It is improper. This is improper FIR. I am the superintendent. I am filing one FIR to my subordinate, even a clerk or postal assistant. Before that, I should get sanction letter from my next higher authority, circle level, other than my divisional level. Please note the point. Circle level other than my divisional level. Then only I can file FIR. Without sanction letter, if I can file FIR, that official misusing his official power should be removed from service and also penalized with imprisonment. That is also not followed by the court of law. I am not knowledgeable person in the law, but I am a bit. With the general knowledge, we are learning everything. Moreover, where is the question of statutory penalty? If a departmental officials, that is any government servant, if it is any small, that is misappropriation, fraud, and some other cases, the department will give major penalty, major punishment, that is compulsory retirement and no service in the department, dismissal from service and removal from service. This penalty will be given. That is three important major penalty. That is removal from service, dismissal from service and compulsory retirement. Compulsory retirement also major penalty according to CCS Contract Code, Indian Penal Code and Labour Code. So once the Department of Post has given major penalty to the one is official, then where is the question of again filing FIR to the court, same case, same witness paper, same application, same witness. When there is no due to the department money, when there is no due to the public money, in case misappropriation, in case fraud, then the department has awarded major penalty, compulsory retirement. Then where is the question of the same case will be filed FIR, court of law? If amount will be not returned, then good, go for the court for recovering amount from the officials. There is no recovery from the amount from the officials. Then where is the question for going again one more penalty, that is statutory penalty. One penalty already given, another penalty trying to given. That official once he was punished by the department, a compulsory retirement, for example, then same case will be filed by the court of law. This is not statutory penalty. That one same subject, two penalty is not there. I don't know why the department official and police officials and even our friends, well-wishers, advocates and honorable judges understood. So this type also police never cannot arrest with local power. The best thing I tell you, June 2016, Central Vigilance Commission has issued one circular. Those who are fraud up to 1 lakh, police officials should not accept FIR to the officials, as well as they, even bank officers or postal officer should not file FIR. Those who are involved earlier than now, a fraud misappropriation of amount. So a beautiful thing is, then below 1 lakh, how police people going to be arrest one person filing the charge sheet without sanction from the others? A beautiful thing we are saying it. Please, you should understand it. It's a legal target, a legal idea. A police people must know it Advocate people must know it. Also, those who are having the knowledge of law, temple of justice, temple of knowledge, temple of law, where the crime, that should be prevented. You may ask a question, where is government servant can be arrested? Police can arrest government servant. Police can file FIR to the government servant when fraud exceeding 1 lakh, when misappropriation money exceeding 1 lakh, and the government official not pay the fraud amount, misappropriation amount, and that amount including interest, penal interest. Then police as well as any department, government department, can be file FIR. Because recovering the amount, then they will give the penalty. When all the amount will be given, one innocent, for someone lapse. Because a supervisor today never do any duty. They work for the bribe, they work for the tips, they work for the party. This is habiting. So always the subordinate only suffer hardship, but supervisor never hardship. He will enjoy the bribe. If you give bribe, if you give liquor, if you supply anything him, car and etc., he is the best officer for your entire life. If you refuse to give bribe, if you refuse to give any party, liquor and coffee, tea, tiffins, etc., you are no more in the department. You will be go to the home, dismissal, removal. If any intelligent, he will be in compulsory retirement. Why I am saying this? Almost all people must know this. One fine case I tell you, if it's 10,000 rupees misappropriated, he will file FIR. He says that 10,000 will be filed FIR. When the amount is not recovered from the officials. But now it is said that up to 1 lakh, you should not file FIR. Because what is there today, police officials will be misusing. Any one honest people file the FIR and 24/7 produce the advocate and send to the jail. He will get the bail and coming. When the person is 48 hours in the prison, he will lose the job. Even a compulsory retirement. If it is very intelligent, he will be compulsory retirement. Otherwise, he will lose the job and he will go without any benefit from the EO. I am speaking without bribe this issue. Today is bribe playing a big role. That should be eradicated. I will approach this to our Law Minister, Digital King, Honorable Law Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad. Before that, my friend Ravi Shankar Prasad is lot of growth in the digital technology. Useless postal department today is using all high-tech technology. That credit goes to Ravi Shankar Prasad. I proud to say this. That is why we are respecting our BJP government ministers. We give moral support to them, not for money. Understood? See, this is the thing is there. If any person attempt to beat any government servant, even retired, you will be immediately sent to the prison. Any ordinary man, any criminals, any person cannot touch, beat, attempt to murder to any government servant. That should also know it. But what happened today is very common. Police is my colleague, police is our friend, bribe is our friend. We do all illegal activities, that's all. So many more things is there. So what happened this nowadays, discharging the case. Many people sees that there is no any useless matter. Come to the court. There is no any money due, any penalized amount, very small amount. It is no use for the running the court. Today what happened? There is a pending of file in the court's case. Lakhs to the case are pending. Nobody willing to take judge position. Actually, bench clerk and advocate unable to queue the dates, hearing days. This is what happened. When useless case, there is no money due, there is no hardship to the others, also there is no hardship to the government, there is no loss to the government, there is no loss to the member of public. This case and all, you should discharge it. Because what happened, many more cases and all kept pending. That should you take care. Understood? If it is any useful, we can go for it. Just I asking one question. A murder case, half murder case, and heavy forgery case, heavy amount fraud case, heavy amount misappropriation case, this all end by the police station itself. Compromising the court level. Then why you are allowing, you will discharge, dismiss the case. So go on routine work for bench clerk and court staff and honorable judge and senior APP, etc., etc. My friend said, 2G case, 1,79 crores rupees, dismissed because no witness. After 15 years, 10,000 rupees you are running more than 8 years. Where is the justice? That's why I am saying, no politician will be perfect. All come for spending the money, getting the money. No way. Understood? I conclude my speech. Some constitution is worthy. All the paper of records, paper of government orders, evidence, come together for decision, order, judgment by the judge. Isn't so? So that it not only a hardship for one person, also all the person. Punjab National Bank detected fraud, close together. It is what happened, one transaction is nothing but of cash. A transaction take from branch officer, sub officers and head officers on all sub branch officers in the whole world. Punjab National Bank, a fraud involved with more than 19,000 crore. A transaction is not a cash. Okay, all supervisor, any hall, the one stage to another stage, another stage to another stage, another stage to another stage, all supervisor failed to verify negligence cause this fraud. So supervisor not getting salary, he should also penalized. Normally, highest penalized and penalty will be given supervisor for any case. Why you are not supervised? You will get high salary. Why you are ignoring? Because you are receiving bribe from official and ignoring the case. You are misusing your official power. Fail to discharge your duties. I tell you that two things is very major punishment. A government of India, Indian Constitution of India said, Article 13/1 and 13/2, 13/3 clearly, any person misusing the government official power will be imprisoned 12 years imprisonment. As well as any person, same section, Indian Constitution of Article 13/1, 13/2, 13/3, fail to discharge their duties, he will be imprisoned 14 years without jail. Anybody can punish at this issue apart from Jayalalitha case. Oh, you can have over property without your limited income, without your parent income. Anyway, I will take some other topic next time. This is Prabhakaran says, MA.PGPR.PGOM.Politician, M.Com, PG Diploma Officer in Field of Public Relations and Global Politician.